So below the main landing screen section, this is our main screen, right? So below that we created our detection screen. So whenever user click on the try now button, if you see a try now button, it will go to the detection page, right? So now this is our detection. Okay, where is the detection screen? Okay, this is our detection screen. Now this is our detection screen, right? So here what I did, I just do one thing. I just, okay, as you see here, okay, there are some I just uh, use my previous code. Now I'm going to explain you what is going on here. Okay, so I just do one thing. Upload card. Chill check. These are the icons, right? Don't confuse about it. These are just the icons. Okay, and the last icon is light bulb. Okay. Okay, now go to our detection page. Okay, here same as this screen, we created a gradient background. As you see here, this is our main div. Okay, my main div is in gradient background. Okay, now inside that brain, this is our header section. This is our header section with the back button. This is the back arrow. This is the back arrow. This is the back arrow button. Okay, as you see, this is the back arrow. Okay, these are just the style. Okay, whenever you click on it, we set the current screen, we set the current screen to main. Basically we back to the main screen. Okay, these are just the style. Okay, you can change the style anyway. And here if you see, we are using, okay, now this is the detection content. Okay, this is the detection content. We create column wise section. Okay, this is background overlay. If we run it, you will get to know. As you see here, this is the header section with name and the back bar, and this is what we are doing here in the content section, detection content section. Okay, as you see here, upload leave image. Now whenever user click on the upload image button, this is the, I think, upload image button. Yeah, detect image button. It will call the upload image, this method. This is called upload image. It will upload the image to our server, right? Then it will give us the result. It will give us the result here. Okay, this is just the simple. Okay, and also in this detection screen also we just show our chatbot section. Okay, and here whenever user click on the upload buttons means whenever user click on this section, it will call the handle file change one, that is it will take the image from the storage. Okay, now, okay, now there is no hard and fast, there is no like hard coded in here which you will not able to understand. Okay, this is for the preview image. This is just to preview the image or whatever the image we are selecting, just to show it we are using it. Okay, now this is the upload button. After that div, there will be a result card. Okay, in this result card, it will display the analyze result. Okay, this section is for This section is for to showing the identified disease, whatever the disease that is identified. It will take result, means from this result prediction, it will take the result and it will display in here, display result dot disease. Here it will display the result disease name, then it will display the confidence, okay, then it will display the advice. As you see in the prediction, there are three properties, right? One is disease, one is confidence, one is advice. So based on that, it will display the disease, confidence and advice. Okay, we'll simply print it in our text field as you see here. Okay, now just run it. So it is, this page is also responsive, as you see already, right? This page is also responsive, and also this is the chat section. Okay, now to enable the detection part, we need to run our pythons, we need to run our flux server also, right? So just do one thing, cd ai python train.app.py. okay, sorry. Okay, it is working now. Now just refresh our page. Okay, as you see, it is give us a result, disease identified, this is the disease name, confidence level and the expert advice. Also we can ask our chatbot also. It will give us the result. As you see, it will give us the result. Let me check it is able to give the answer is not. How to prevent no, this question answer is not in our database, but it will take this lead blight as a keyword and it is give us that result. Okay, so these are some drawback for using the chatbot, but yeah, you if you train it, then it will definitely give the answer. Okay, so that's it for this part. If you have any questions or if you have any query, you can ask me on the comment section. Also, if you like the video, then just click the like button and subscribe my channel as it is a news channel, and also share this video to your friends who will get benefit from these applications. Okay, so and also let me know in the comment section what next video you want, and what project do you want to learn. I will definitely try to give that project. Okay, also I forgot to change these things. Okay, you just do one thing, you just watch my previous video, just my first video, preview video, and you just try to replace it. Okay, you just try to replace with the correct text, correct icon and correct description. Okay, thank you so much. Stay tuned for the next series or the next cool real life projects, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.